Hey friends, this is the Miss Wolfie from our Half Acre Homestead, and today I'm going to use my Bisquick to make an apple cake. So simple, watch this. Okay, first things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and I am going to make a parchment paper sleeve for my pan. I'm going to wet it so it sticks nice and flat. And we're just going to line our cake paper. This is so simple, I'm not even using the KitchenAid, folks. Okay, here is 2.5 cups of my homemade Bisquick. Here are some of my dried apples, a cup of sugar. So that's 2.5 cups of my Bisquick. Now I made this Bisquick with butter, but it doesn't matter if you use shortening or lard. But if you do use shortening or lard, make sure you refrigerate it and you add salt. I'm just going to add an egg, and I'm going to top this cup up to one cup of water. And then we're just going to mix. We topped it up to 1 cup with water. And now we're just going to make our cake. I actually meant to put 2 eggs in that. Well, so it's 2 eggs cracked into a measuring cup, and bring it up to 1.5 cups of liquid. There we go. There we go. Now remember, my Bisquick recipe, or my knockoff recipe, has milk in it, because I use powdered milk. And then we're just going to pour this in here. And I think I made too much, but we'll see. Could have used a bigger pan, folks. Now I'm just going to sprinkle some apples on the top. You can use fresh on the bottom if you like to make this an upside down cake, but we're not. Sprinkle on a little bit of brown sugar, a little bit of cinnamon. I'm going to put this on a pan just because I think it might overflow. And we're going to put this in a 350 degree oven for 40 minutes. Our timer has gone off. Let's have a look. A Bisquick apple cake. Yummy! Now, before we go on to make Papa's pancakes, I'm going to put this plate in the oven on the keep warm setting so that I can make him a nice stack of pancakes, and they will stay hot while I dish them up. Okay, here's my Bisquick that I made today. I made this batch with butter. I'm just going to put 2 cups because I don't eat a lot of pancakes. I won't be eating pancakes. This is for Papa. So I'm going to put 2 cups of my homemade milk and butter Bisquick in there. And now I'm going to take 1 egg, put it in the bottom of this cup because, well, my measuring cup is in the dishwasher. And I'm going to top this up to about 3/4 full, or full, to like the cup where you'd make a cup of coffee. And then I'm just going to stir that egg, mix it into the water, and then I'm just going to pour it right in there. Water and egg. Trust me. It's that simple. Just like that. Now if you want them a little thinner like a crepe, you just add more water. All right. Now this gets really thick really quick, so I'm going to add a bit of water, I think. We don't want crepes, but we don't want flannel jacks either. Flannel jacks are a really thick, almost, well, let's put it this way. You could almost make English muffins out of that batter I just had. Let's see. We are sizzling. That's smoking hot. Okay. So now, I'm just going to take my pan here and I'm making what Daddy likes to be known as stack pancakes. Now once they start to get about, you can count them if you want, but about 20 bubbles, we just flip over. No folks, I don't have a griddle. I'm going to stack these on this hot plate. Take a piece of butter, layer it in between, a little bit of and I mean just a dribble. You only need a dribble when you're stacking them. Back into the oven. This goes. Your stacked pancakes, sir.
Thank you, dear. Some for crash.
Sorry, I'm on the tripod, so.
I'm on the tripod.
Wouldn't be Pancake Tuesday without pancakes.
Happy Pancake Tuesday.
And here is our homemade Bisquick apple cake. Let's cut Papa a piece. I guess I should have put some butter on the top, but I was winging this recipe. Here, I'm just going to cut him a piece and I'll be right back. Honestly, folks, I did not think it would turn out that beautiful. Now this is just a basic cake that I made with Bisquick today. It's not overly sweet,
Nope.
but I put a little bit of apple and cinnamon on top.
A little bit of butter on it.
Well, there you go.
It's awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome. This is the Miss Wolfie from our half-acre homestead saying, pancakes and cake, just two of the many things you can make with Bisquick. Take care, God bless.